Hey guys, today we're going to go through the index match, which is an alternative method of looking up values from one table to another, right? So this is going to be the short video, so I'll try to keep it to that. If you want more detail, the longer video that's on my channel, we'll go into it. Ready? So the index match is essentially what's going to happen is we're going to look up, in this case, the city based off of the customer ID or customer number, right? Because that's the common value between both tables. So to look up the city, what we're going to say is we're going to look up the city over here in this range or array. We're going to look up the city in here based off of the index number of the data table, right? So index, think about it as the row numbering for the table, right? While it's not explicitly there, right? Like you don't need this to do the index match. When it comes to structures, it's just always there. But anyways, index match is gonna look up this value, right, in this array by using a common key between both tables. So then looking in this array and finding the index number that matches in this array and then going across, right? So let's go through it. So index, right? So index, what array do I want to find or bring over data from? In this array, right? I want you to look in this array for the value that I want you to bring over to this table, right? So we're going to lock that down by the row, right? Second part of the formula, match, where I want you to look up, or the value I want you to look up that's common in both tables is this customer number, right? So look up this customer number's city, right? We're going to look up this customer number in this array over here, right? So what it's saying is in this array, look up customer number TX1005, right? And I want an exact match. So we're going to close that match, and we're going to close the index, and we're going to get, for TX1005, the city is McKinney, which matches exactly as it is in the customer detail table, right? So one more time, we're going to look at the state now. We're going to say index, right? I want the state, so give me the state value for TX1005. So the state, look it up in this array, right? And I want you to look it up by matching this index number, right? Match this lookup value, and this lookup value is going to be in this array, right? And I want an exact match. So what we're doing here is we're saying, one more time, look up the value. I want the value, the state, that's in this array. What's the index number in this array that you want? Well, we know the index number is going to be the same as the matching value in this array, right? So to get this array, I want you to look up this, based off of this, look up this value. So C10 for this customer number, and I want it in this array. Notice how the arrays for both match exactly. That's what you need. If you don't have that exact matching array dimension, then it's not going to work properly, right? So look up TX1005 in here, and what it's going to do, the match is going to do, is going to give you the actual index number. So in this case 14, that's in this array. So then that 14 is going to feed to the index function, and the index is going to go down here till it reaches row 14, and it's going to pull this value of TX. That, ladies and gentlemen, is your index match in a nutshell, right? If you want more details, look at the longer video I have on my channel. If anything, just put in a comment or shoot me a message if you need more help, if you need me to clarify if something wasn't clear enough, or if you still don't understand. Just let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you guys. Like always, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and whichever one of your analyst friends you want to show this to that will help out, I'd really appreciate it, guys. Anyways, talk to you later.